This post narrates BC's automatic flight following through the context of this Computer Aircraft Simulation Center, and the learning points for the KRAC is this ethics and ops, looking at the CO responsible for the accomplishment of the mission, and the MO who is working for the CO and also has a responsibility to support the mission. So the canvas is the flight sim world upgraded with this Ultimate Terrain 10, and the AFF topography looks as such with GPS satellites feeding this Microsoft Streets and Maps dongle, which gives us our positioning we can transmit. The tracking unit in virtual reality is based on any number of frames, but here using the EC120. So we have a custom repaint with C# Microsoft colors, and showing this just to give the mathematics in action. So here's the St. Albert Air Park from the 120, and what you can see is there's a fixed position on the ground, and as the helicopter yaws, the eyes stay locked onto the ground position, which is essentially a reverse of the tower view you'd find normally built into the game. So we can see accelerating ahead as we fly past the west side. The eyes stay automatically tracked onto a scenery file we have in the middle of the field there. Next we have the satellite carrier, and this is just a demo of what's possible, showing here the satellite in orbit with Charlotte's in the background, the north coast with the Yellowknife area in the background, Churchill looking off to the Great Lakes, the Winnipeg area, and what this is object placement code that we have that reads an almanac from the United States Coast Guard. So where the eyes are is where the actual GPS would be at any given time. And then this would transmit to our mock satellite receiving station, just shown here for the sake of the show. The comms feed the Network Operations Center, and that's housed at the EHS Museum. And this is a look at the computer server farm that we're linking together for flight sim formation flying, with bearing and distance, with lead to wingmen, etc. And just to close, the mapping display has Microsoft and Google Earth Tracker. So here we see Google Earth being used as a presentation display on the simulated data, and this gives us our pan, zoom, rotate, and all of the other functions that are built into the Google Earth platform, and that's our presentation display for the project.